Hello friends to my channel, thank you so much friends for watching. I'm so super excited today to share with you this great remedy. The remedy will help you to boost your fertility naturally, boost your odds for getting pregnant naturally. During this treatment, you are going to be using your clear blue, you are going to be checking your ovulation, hibiscus packed with antioxidants, help fight bacteria. Gloves contain important nutrients high in antioxidants, kill bacteria, may improve liver health. Coconut water prevents kidney stone, support heart health, reduce blood pressure. You can use milk as well, or coconut milk, or any milk of your choice, or water. Yes guys, we need a clear blue. When we are doing this treatment, we need clear blue to monitor the ovulation if it's working. So we need coconut water. So I'm going to be using coconut water. It is very good for this treatment as well. As we're looking for the fruit of womb, this will boost and regulate your ovulation. If you are the type of person that you always during your period, you normally have cramp or back pain, or menstruation is not regular, the hibiscus will help you with the help of any dairy milk, any fresh milk, that's any old milk. And we all need cloves. Cloves contain a lot of nutrients to boost our immune system and to help us to be able to ovulate, regulate our ovulation. So we're going to bring it to boil up to, just leave it to your gas cooker to let it cook up to 30 minutes. When it starts foaming, that is the time that is ready. Now it's ready to go. So we're going to be straining it, and we're going to get rid of the contents inside our blend. So guys, however, issue related to irregular cycle and ovulation, high stress can cause it as well. Alright, and hormonal imbalance as well. So when you are using this remedy, please let it be like a stress-free. Monitor your ovulation by using clear blue. During my period, I use clear blue, and regular sex with your husband. Immediately you finish your period. After 5 days, of finishing period, get this this chick. I use it a lot during my time. So you check your urine, you can see, and it will tell you when you are ready. It will bring smile. You can see this night. You really have to, don't joke with that smile. You really have to meet your husband. You have to meet your husband regularly this period, which means you are ready. Your ovulation is ready. You are ready to conceive. You don't joke. Get yourself ready. Make sure you meet your husband. You've already see the smile yourself. So guys, if this really help you, I want you to subscribe. I want you to share my video. If you have any question, please let me know. Leave the comments below. I will help you, and God will use me to help you guys. The remedy we are using is help. Okay, so this is very good remedy. Try it. It works for me. It will work for you. I've seen so many people that help. It will help you as well. Follow the instruction. Don't skip this video, and let me know what you think. Bye for now.